Hello guys, today homemade beer, homemade pale ale using the ingredient from the kit of IGULU company. I show already this fermenter dispenser for the beer, ricetta super easy. I will use 3.5 liter of water, the ingredient from the kit, and to increase a little bit the alcohol, I will add 70 grams of sugar. Why I'm using this fermenter instead the fermenter that is already inside the kit, inside the machine? Because last time that I done the beer, some people told me, I don't like that you keep the beer for a long time with the yeast on the bottom, because after the program start, there will be the fermentation. When the fermentation finish, the system will drop the temperature around 0 Celsius degree, so all the yeast will drop on the bottom. And after, when we drink the beer, the yeast will stay there. But if you drink the beer in a few days, there is no problem. But like me, I keep only when I have a party with friends, because it's very easy to use it. So maybe the yeast will stay there for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month. So now I will ferment the beer inside my fermenter, and when the fermentation is finished, I will move in this one, putting this one there in the machine, open the CO2, and the beer will be fresh without the yeast on the bottom. Perfect. So now I will open my bag and I will put the ingredients. Super easy. Everything is, I don't know the name in English, solubile. So everything will dissolve in the water. We need only to put inside the fermenter. First the hop, and now we can add the yeast. And now we add the dry malt extract and the priming sugar that they give you in the kit. Perfectly sealed, like you can notice from the airlock. Inside the airlock I put homemade liquor. You can make homemade liquor at home following the recipe that you can find in our book. But if you have not made homemade liquor, you can use vodka, you can use rum, you can use whiskey, any kind of liquor in the airlock is perfect. Why? Because it's something drop in your beer, you will drink a liquor and not a sanitizer. Okay guys, see you tomorrow when the fermentation starts. The following morning the fermentation starts. You can see from the airlock and from the foam on the top of the beer. The fermentation is slow because the temperature is a little bit down. Now at the moment here I have 18 Celsius degree. You can notice also that there is a big gap inside the fermenter. It's not the perfect way to make beer, but you can do it. If the fermenter is closed properly, will be in pressure and the airlock will bubble. See you at the end of the fermentation. After 7 days, the fermentation is complete. You can notice from the beer now is super clear and the yeast is all on the bottom. So we can put our beer in this container and after in the dispenser. I don't remember if I mentioned the advantage already at the beginning of the video, but I will tell you again. The advantage is that we don't need to wait minimum 2 weeks or maximum 2 months for tasting our beer. Now we'll close it properly, put inside the dispenser, open the CO2, and tomorrow, after only 24 hours, we can do the tasting. Okay, 4 Celsius degree, that is better than 6 because I like the beer very cold, and 1 bar of pressure. See you tomorrow. Let's test it. Spectacular. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to email like it, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you want to buy it, check the link here under the video. In this way you can buy it with the discount. If you cannot find the link, you can write me, don't worry, I will send you the link through the message. If not, you can go directly on their website and you can buy directly from them, but without the discount. My friends today organize a barbecue, so now I will unplug it and bring to them. Maybe they would like to do a tasting together. So I don't know if this is the end of the video or you will see also the tasting. Bye bye. Yeah, the IPA is much better than the lager that I tasted last time with my friends Dario. Bye bye.